Hello, thank you for being in a new video. As you can see, I am traveling, so today we have a recap. Let me quickly tell you about all the technological news we need to get started. Samsung has just presented the new Galaxy Book 5360 with the new Intel processor. This new series of Intel processors comes with a lot of power and supposedly very low energy consumption to nearly match the energy efficiency performance of Apple processors, which have recently been very well received by users due to the great battery life indeed achieved with this type of processor. So Intel has not wanted to fall behind and has developed this new technology, and the first laptop to debut this new line of processors is the Galaxy Book. As you can imagine, it comes with several artificial intelligence features, supports the S Pen, and the screen hinge can make a considerably high rotation to allow it to function simply as a touchscreen stand. In this case, you can have either the Intel Core Ultra 5 or Intel Core Ultra 7, both from the Series 2. It also comes with up to 32 GB of LPDDR4 RAM, but Samsung has made it clear that the RAM cannot be upgraded once you purchase this computer. This computer comes with a 16-inch AMOLED touchscreen with WQXGA Plus resolution and a 120 Hz refresh rate, with a peak brightness of 500 nits. It features 2 microphones and 4 speakers for complete stereo sound, as well as a backlit keyboard and a camera that supports full HD video. On the right side, you'll find the headphone jack, a USB-A port, and a slot for micro SD cards. On the other side, we will find 2 USB-C Thunderbolt 4 ports with support for 65 watts of charging, as well as an HDMI 2.1 connector. The battery is 76 watt-hours, and Samsung claims that with a single charge, it could provide 25 hours of video playback. So this computer integrates Galaxy AI with various artificial intelligence features, and it is also part of the Copilot Plus PC series that Microsoft announced a little while ago, making it very focused on this era of artificial intelligence. The price has not yet been announced, but it is likely that it will not be available in Mexico or in many other countries. For some reason, Samsung does not distribute its Galaxy Books in several of our countries. The render of the upcoming Galaxy Tab S Ultra has just been leaked, revealing that it will maintain this design with a notch on the megascreen to accommodate 2 front cameras. It seems that the cameras will have rings with highlighted colors, very similar to what we see on the Galaxy Z Flip 6, and the S Pen will have a white color to create a greater contrast with the body of this tablet. The leaker has been Avlex, so he is a leaker with many years of experience and is very reliable. The specifications of the OPPO Find N have already been leaked. This foldable phone from OPPO is highly focused on photography and is likely to be the best foldable device in terms of photography. Specifically, it will incorporate 3 high-resolution cameras, with reports suggesting that the sensors will be from Sony, and it will have only 1 periscope camera, unlike the OPPO Find X Ultra, which integrates 2 telephoto cameras. According to Digital Chat Station, this device will incorporate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 and aims to be thinner, within the 9mm range, making it one of the most attractive foldables. However, there is currently no leaked image that reveals part of its design, although it should be very similar to the previous generation. According to Digital Chat Station, this device is expected to hit the market in early 2025. It should be noted that OPPO will skip the number 4 in this series. Red Magic has just released official images of what will be their next tablet, which will include a fan, maintaining a design very similar to what we see in their smartphones. The back cover features this fan and RGB lights, along with a label suggesting it will have a Snapdragon processor, as well as its cooling system. It also appears that there will be backlighting on the Red Magic brand logo, which is placed on the left side of the tablet, creating a decorative strip in addition to the brand logo in the central back area. According to what can be seen, the tablet will have rounded corners, fairly thin bezels, and will evidently integrate the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 leading version. According to what can be observed and what is said through leaks, it will feature a 10.9-inch display with a Hz refresh rate and a 10,100 mAh battery with support for 120-watt charging. However, another edition of this tablet is also expected to exist with a larger screen, but with a processor from the previous generation, specifically the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. So we will have to wait. Surely there is not much time left because Red Magic has officially released these images revealing its design. Lastly, Huawei has released 2 official commercials for its upcoming trifold device, which we now know will be called the Huawei Mate XT. Its presentation will take place a day after the unveiling of the iPhone 16 series, aiming to completely overshadow it. In these commercials, the design of this device is still not revealed. However, there are people who, through hand gestures, imply that it would be an ultra-thin device that, when unfolded, will obviously show a screen with very good dimensions for working or playing on it. It is a device that I personally find very, very attractive, even though I haven't seen it officially. However, remember that a few days ago, a supposed photograph of Richard Yu, CEO of Huawei, using this device in its unfolded state was leaked. Later, another photograph of the same person using the device in its folded state was leaked, so it is said that it will be an extremely attractive device. As I mentioned, through these commercials, people get a rough idea by moving their hands of how this device could be used in different formats. Remember that a few days ago, Tecno released an official video of a concept they have shown, although it is a device that will not be available for sale. However, it also gives us a very clear idea of what the next triptych foldable from Huawei could be, which will be available for sale, although possibly only in China, but that remains to be seen. The truth is that there are only a few days left until this launch, and I am very excited because it is said to be thinner than the Galaxy Z Fold 6. Just imagine the engineering marvel of fitting 3 display areas into a thickness smaller than the Galaxy Z Fold 6, which has 2 display areas. For now, I am very excited, but let me know in the comments if you think it will be a revolutionary device and if more brands will follow in Huawei's footsteps, or if you think it won't be the case. For now, that's all for this video. I hope you liked it. If so, you know you can let us know, and we'll see you next time.